Hello and welcome to Test Quality. Let's have a look at the Save Permanently feature. The feature that saves your run results from being deleted if you have the automatic delete feature enabled. As part of your site maintenance, you may wish to remove old run data, and this can be automated with the settings in the cycle to remove old runs, and it's called Retain Runs, and this is how many runs you wish to retain for this particular cycle. And you can see this one is set to 0, which means disabled, but perhaps I want to add 10 runs. And so for this cycle, it'll keep 10 runs of data. And as soon as I create run 11, then the oldest one will be deleted. If I wish to set is permanent on any run, then it excludes this run from those retained runs. I can also remove that from any run that I have it set just by unclicking it in the overview of the run. And now it's part of the retained runs feature, and this will become part of my 10 retained runs. And when this one becomes number 11 and the oldest run that I have, then this one will be purged and deleted from the system. And that's it for the retain runs or is permanent feature. Thank you.